finally dumating na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. So, our love story began during pandemic, and now after 4 years, we are getting married. Our relationship is not perfect, so there are days that hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan, but still, here we are today. We choose to forgive and to learn from our mistakes.
After a long wait, it has finally become a reality ngayong pong araw na po ito. Now, napag-uusap po kami ni June and ni Karina at ito daw pong love story na ito, nagsimula lang po sa simpleng Merry Christmas.
So, virtual yung Christmas party namin. Magka-group kami sa Christmas party. And then, nung sa unang usap namin is nung nag-chat ako nung sa Pasko, binati ko siya. Tapos, Merry Christmas lang. Tapos ayun, the rest is history. Nagdire-diretso na yung pag-uusap namin.
June, I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as the symbol of my vow,
as a symbol of my vow,
with all that I am,
with all that I am,
all that I have,
all that I have,
I honor you.
I honor you.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
June and Karina, the fact that you are here by your own free will, in front of all these witnesses, and in front of God, na nakakita sa ating puso't isipan, ito ay nagpapatunay na kayo ay nagmamahalan at gusto niyo na i-bless ng Panginoon ang inyong pagsasama. Now, dear beloved, we are gathered here this afternoon in the presence of God and each other to witness and celebrate the joining of June and Karina in holy matrimony. Ang pag-ibig po ay sadyang napakadakila na si June po ay gagawin niyang lahat makuha lamang niya si Karina.
So, ayun po. Huwag po kayong mag-aalala. Ako na po magiging bahala kay Karina. Gaya nga po ng pinangako ko kanina sa kanya, iingatan ko, aalagaan at mamahalin parati ang inyong anak. Hindi ko po sasayangin ang tiwalang ibinigay niya sa akin.
Now, love is never love if it's forced upon another, and free will makes love much more meaningful.
Nakita ko from the start pa lang na yung sincerity niya. May times na binabanggit niya sa akin na gusto niya akong pakasalan.
To the point na nabago ko yung sarili ko. Parang nararamdaman ko sa kanya na iniingatan talaga niya ako. So, ayan, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya.
Yun, may goal talaga siya sa relationship namin. And ito, ngayon, ikakasal na kami. Mama, Papa, salamat sa lahat ng pagsuporta na ginawa niyo all throughout the wedding. So, financially, emotionally, kayo both parents, kayo ang gumabay sa amin. Hindi namin magagawa ito, hindi namin ma-accomplish ito kung wala kayo lahat. Sana wag kayong magsawang. Sana wag kayong magsawang, suportahan kami mag-asawa.
sana wag kayong magsawang mahalin kami. At kahit mag-asawa man ako, mamahalin at mamahalin ko pa din.
Karina Joreen Tampos Encarnado, will you take June Carlo Tiemsing Pilapil to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Yes po, Pastor.
Pinapangako ko na mamahalin ka ng tapat at igagalang sa lahat ng oras. Sabay nating haharapin at sosolusyonan ang lahat ng pagsubok na darating sa atin. I love you so much, Bebe, always, to infinity and beyond.
I've seen all your efforts, your patience and love for me. And I've seen how much you've grown in our relationship. And I always thank God na ikaw yung bigay niya na lalaki na makakasama ko habang
June and to Karina, I charge you both, June and Karina, as you stand in God's presence, to remember that love, faithfulness, loyalty, and respect will serve as the foundation of a happy and enduring home. And the home which you're about to establish will abide through every change this world will offer.
And I'm